Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to do our EVS revision, okay? And it is a class 5th. So we have already done chapter 1, 2, 3 in our copy, and chapter 1, 2, 3 is coming in your exam, that is FA1. So today we are revising our course, that is consists of chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay, so here are some questions. It will be easy when if you go through the chapter, learn that. Okay, if you read the chapter, understand then it is a very simple for you. Okay, so first question is define nuclear family and joint family. As you all know, what is nuclear family, what is joint family? Nuclear family consists parents and children. Okay, in nuclear family there is only parents and children. What are joint family? Define करना है आपको, which is joint family. It includes grandparents, uncle, aunt, parents and children. Okay, it is a big family and it is a small family. So second, the transfer of characteristics from one generation to another. We already read that transfer of one generation to another is called inheritance. What it is called? Inheritance. Okay, write the names of any two scientists who worked in the field of genetics. Who worked in the field of genetics? Hargobind Khurana. Wait a second. So we are writing Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind Khurana and George Mandel. Yes. So answer is Hargobind Khurana and George Mandel. Write relations. Father's father. Who is known as father's father? That is grandfather. Father's father. Father ke father. Father's father is grandparents, but grandfather is whose? Paternal. Paternal is like father side, paternal is side mother side. Okay, but father's father is paternal grandfather. Paternal grandfather. Okay. Mother's sister is known as Motsi. So maternal aunt. It is called maternal aunt. Always remember, father's side is paternal, mother's side is maternal. Okay. Now we have a question number 5. What are the reasons due to which people migrate? People is migrating. Why people migrate? For education of their children, for betterment of living standard, for marriage purpose. So there are many reasons. We can write many reasons, like for marriage purpose, for better living standard, for higher studies, for marriage purpose, for better living standard, for higher studies, for occupation. Okay, so question number 6 is, why are dams constructed? Dams are constructed for the irrigation and drinking purpose. Dams are constructed for irrigational purpose, irrigational and drinking purpose. Okay, now the word India is written in Braille script. This is Braille script. It is a dots that a blind person is touching by learning by touching them. Okay, you try your name. As you all know, in I there are two dots like this, in and like this. So in your book we have complete alphabets with these dots. Yes, on the page number of 21 you have this. Okay, so suppose my name is Nikita. Okay, actually my name is Nikita. Okay, so how I would and how I write and like this, Nikita, Nikita. So how would I write N is like 2 and there are 4 dots in N. I is like this. How would I write K? Like this. T like this. And how would write A? Like this. Okay, so I wrote my name. Now you have to write your name in the Braille script in your copy. And question number 8 is your homework. Question number 8 is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. First, all the members of Dash family help each other. In which family? There are two types of family, nuclear family, joint family. In which family we help each other? Kandana Dam is situated in, where is Kandana Dam is situated? Braille script was developed by, who made Braille script? Pointed dash is used for writing. What is used in Braille script and what it is called? Okay, it is called what? So you have question 8 and you have to do this work in your copy. I hope you already learned that, already completed your course, that we already done chapter 1, 2, 3. And if still you didn't learn, so go through the chapter, learn them and do it in your copy. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.